Does anyone know? My friend just called me out and says, does anybody know that right now that you are rebuilding financially right now? I am rebuilding financially right now because 1 month after our wedding, my husband injured his spine and he hasn't been able to work for 7 to 8 months. And spinal surgery is so expensive and you have to pay that kind of stuff up front. And there's so much we've had to pay up front. And so it's drained every investment that I have had to make sure that we keep the roof over our heads, our cars, his older son's car, and then keep paying for all the recovery, the medical debt, the levies from DHS since he can't work, but that still keeps accruing. Again, thankfully, we've got 8 parents between 4 sharing schedules that have worked beautifully together through all this, but it's hard. It is draining. And financially, it has drained everything. Because remember, I was a single mother for over 15 years and then just got remarried. 1 month, just 1 month after our blended family wedding with the 6 boys is when he had a spinal injury. And the 7th, 8th month recovery, it's been long. It's been long and it has drained everything, but we've been blessed. Because when your back's against the wall, you have to lean on God and you have to lean on faith and being obedient to what God wants you to do. And I know as a single mother, I've rebuilt twice after starting over. I've come out of major life events and have started over. And after being laid off and no backup plan and no savings, again, I realized the importance of being prepared so that you can rebuild. So when I talk about rebuilding financially and being prepared, it comes from a real place. It comes from a real place because right now I'm rebuilding again. I'm rebuilding my dreams, our children's dreams. Our dreams as a blended family of 8, I'm rebuilding those dreams. And it's hard. So when I talk about it, I'm going through it right now. And I feel like there's somebody out there that's rebuilding too. They're ready just to get out from underneath the debt, medical debt, whatever what kind of debt it is. Whether it's they've lost everything from medical injury, a natural disaster. Guys, life can change in an instant. But we need to be able to be there for each other and support each other. I know I've rebuilt before, and I know I'm going to do it again. But I feel like there needs to be people joining me. And let's rebuild together. Let's rebuild our dreams together. I would love to start a community. I really do. I want to start a community, Dream Rebuilders. It's on my heart, Dream Rebuilders. Just let's rebuild our dreams together over this next year for 2023. Drop an emoji below. Send me a DM if you're interested. Let's rebuild our dreams.